Yo, what's up, boys? So today we're gonna be talking about how to not make your beats sound boring. And not gonna lie, this is what most of your beats sound like. Yeah, so in most of your beats, including mine, they just repeat forever. So we're gonna want to change it up with some variety. So instead of being boring, just like oh no 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 no, it's more variety. So now we're gonna add a bass, and I'm gonna show you what most of you would be doing with that. Okay, so I feel like most beginner producers should leave it one note, or they might have like this. Instead, what you want to do is change it up. Yeah, see how much more interesting that makes it sound? Alright, so we got this simple beat here that I added on from the beginning melody, and I want you to see if you can find the problem with it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you guess the 808s or the hi-hats, then you were correct. So you never want super fast hi-hats and really heavy hitting 808s that are like this. I mean, it doesn't sound bad, but if you get an artist on it, then it's gonna sound really messed. So I'm just gonna simplify these hi-hats real quick. You can still have like a little bit of rolls, but I don't want that much. Then we're gonna go down to the 808s and make it a little bit more simpler. You could do the opposite too. So low key. Yeah, you could just do the opposite. So the next trick, I'm just gonna structure this out real quick. Okay, so the next trick, sure you've heard this before, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna pitch it down so it adds more variety. Like, might sound weird because we added this first, but if you just go chords first. Bring it in. See how hard that switch up hits? Anyways, that's it for the video today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and love.